Hello, I am making this video to show you how to get into Freckle and do your measurement and data pretest if you haven't done it so far. So you'll go through Clever to open up Freckle and it'll bring you to the page where it asks for our class code. So if you are from Ms. Alto's class, our class code, I have it written down here, and Mrs. Petersdorf has her class code listed on the lesson plan page with the calendar. It's down below on the second page of that. So I'm going to click on here. And I am signing into Peyton Basil's account. Okay, so this is what it's going to pop up. You'll have your practice. It'll say, let's practice. Then down here, you don't have to worry about really any of this stuff. This is just telling you what you've done so far. If you want to look through it, you can. And then you know that we have our coins up here too. So to find what you need to do for today's lesson and for future lessons on Freckle, come down here and click on Math. We know that we have fact practice here, and this is the one that we're mostly familiar with. You will do this twice a day. So you can do your fact practice here. All you do is you just type in the answer to it and hit enter, and it gets you your coins. Now I'm going to show you though what to do for measurement and data. So back here, hit Math. Adaptive practice. Now what we are doing is measurement and data. So here I have it, I'm looking at it right here, measurement and data, hit get started. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to take a pretest. So you're going to get started on this pretest and answer these questions the best you can do. Some of them are going to be difficult, and that's okay because it wants to know what you already know how to do. So I'm going to pause the video right here, do the pretest, and show you what it looks like after the pretest is done. Okay, so I took the pretest. It told me that they found my level. So once they find your level, you'll hit continue. You'll earn some coins. And then here I am on this level. So for today's assignment, it asked you to do 2 of these lessons in measurement and data. So I'm going to click on 16 because that's the level where it placed me, and I'm going to practice. So now you can see it'll give me 10 questions. Once I do all 10 of those, it'll move me on to the next level, and then I'll do those 10 questions. And that is considered 2 lessons on Freckle measurement and data for today. If you have any questions, as always, please let us know.